Spring is here, and that means more buyers, more listings, and a lot more people asking the same question: what upgrades are actually worth the money when it's time to sell? So let's talk about that. Before you grab a paintbrush or you start tearing out your kitchen, there are 3 things you need to know, because the right upgrades can help you sell faster and for more money, which is what everybody wants. The wrong ones can really eat into your profit and turn off buyers before they even walk through the door. So here's how to tell the difference. Number 1, skip the expensive mistakes. Let's start with what not to do. Going all in on high-end kitchen remodel, luxury landscaping, or worst of all, leaving a project half finished usually does not pay off. According to the latest cost versus value report, a major upscale kitchen remodel returns just 36% of what you put into it. That means for every dollar that you spend, you're getting back less than 40 cents. Meanwhile, buyers want homes that feel clean, complete, and move-in ready. Not just a work in progress. If you start a project, finish it. That missing cabinet or half-done tile job could really end up costing you more than you think. Number 2, focus on first impressions. This is where your money really counts, and the data backs it up. Garage door replacements can return up to 268% ROI, making them the highest return project in the country for the 2nd year in a row. A new steel entry door can return around 216% ROI, and manufactured stone veneer averages about 208%. Inside, focus on mid-range updates like new countertops and fixtures. A minor kitchen remodel is returning about 113% right now, compared to just 36% for that major remodel we talked about. You can also tidy up the yard, replace worn carpet, and stick to light, neutral paint. Buyers want homes that feel fresh, updated, and move-in ready. First impressions really matter, and most buyers decide how they feel about a home before they even step inside. Your first showing is actually online. Number 3, don't cut corners on the contractor. Hiring the right contractor can make or break your project. So take the time, find someone you trust, ask some friends and neighbors for some referrals, check local Facebook groups, or look at the Better Business Bureau's directory. Once you have a few names, get at least 3 written quotes, confirm they're licensed and insured, and ask to see photos of their recent work. A solid contractor will help you stay on budget, offer honest suggestions, and get the job done right the first time. Really important. Cutting corners here might seem like a way to save some money, but it usually ends up costing more in the end. And one more thing, get everything in writing before work begins. A clear contract protects both of you. And if you're planning to sell this spring and want to focus on the improvements that actually add value, not just the expensive ones, I'd love to help. Every market is different, and I can help you figure out what makes the most sense for your home, your timeline, and what buyers in your area are looking for right now. Call or email me to set up a free, no obligation strategy call, and let's put together a plan to get you the best return this spring.